Hello everybody, it's Savannah back in her room again. The last fidget video I made, I saw it had 57 views. And I only have 9 subscribers, so I thought 57 views, wow, I need to make another fidget video. And luckily I actually do have more fidgets. But I think some of my fidgets are somewhere else. Let me go get them quick. I'm gonna show you the one that's on my backpack. Okay, here's the one on my backpack. It's a cupcake. I love the sound they make. Okay, let me show you my other fidgets. Let me just get the big, I need 2 hands. Let me sit you down for a sec. I'm gonna show you this thing from art, really cool. Just set it back on my desk. Are you ready to see my fidgets? Okay. These, those, these ones. I'm just trying to organize them so it's easier to show you guys. Random one, I guess. Ooh, this one looks so cool. I like that one. This one's really cool. I guess I could just show you once I'm done organizing them. See ya once I'm done. Finished organizing all of them. So I'll show you these first. This one you can move. Pretty cool. And anyway, my friend gave me a lot of hers, so. Well, are these? Well, she didn't give me all of hers. She just gave me not a lot of hers though. She has so many fidgets. She has a whole box of them. So she just gave me a few of them that she had right then. You can use it as a sword. Okay, this one. So you can do this with it. Put it all back together. It's really fun. And then what is wrong with this? Oh, got it. This thing is weird sometimes. What is going on with this thing? I don't get it. And there, you got it. And if you want to take it apart, ta-da! You can use it as a headband. No, I don't think that would be good. I love these. Put it all back together. How many? 1, 2. And I don't know why I have this, but it's a slap bracelet. So wait, let me get it all stretched out. So, got it. These are cool. You could make cool designs. My favorite design to put them in is this planet one. It's really cool. I love this one. You just mix it up and then try to put it back to its normal color. Squishy. Yep. Here's this mini slinky. Ow! Hurt. A heart slinky. This. I know I'm missing some, but I have no idea where they are. So, yeah. Here's a unicorn. I know I have more of these, but I don't know where they are. I swear I saw them though. Oh well. Showing you most of them. The other ones are like the same as the other. Here are some mochis. Here are some like mini mazes. This one's really cool, but if you hold on to one, it kind of falls off. I'll show you. Oh. See, fell off. I'm gonna throw that away. Jeez. Whoa. I like this one, it's really fun. My friend gave me this. Same friend as I was talking about earlier. Then, and mini. My friend probably gave me most of those. I have a spinner poppet. An Among Us puppet. Can you see the little designs on there? On these two? favorite puppet. That's loud. Then I have Putty. This is glow in the dark. See, glow in the dark. Let me just get some out. It's stuck in here. Oh, got all of it now in one clean. Okay, let's just play with it. Let it. So shiny, glittery, so magical. Okay, a little bit longer. Now let's turn the lights on. It kind of glows. I think I need to have the lights on for a bit longer. Okay, that's better. I think it needs to sit out for a bit more. Just let it be there. Turn on that light too to help it. Here is hypercolor thing, whatever that is. Come on. Do I have sweaty hands? Or weird slimy hands? Not slimy hands, that would be weird. If I was like a weird monster. Whoa. I see now it was stuck. Come on, seriously? Stay there. I think if you touch it for a while, it turns a different color. So it's purple right now. Then I'm pretty sure, if I'm correct, it turns like blue. Let's just wait. It kind of changed color, I guess. A bit more blue. Let's put this one back. Alright, it's still up there. This one. This is mini illusion. I don't know what that means, but miss my dog Sadie. It's like pink mixed with gold. It looks so good. Look at it. And the sound it makes. That's how you know it's good slime or putty or Do you like playing Royale High? Because I do. Wonder how many of you play Roblox. I do. And if you play Roblox, you probably know what Royale High is. Royale High is like my favorite game in Roblox. I'm trying to get some cool stuff. If you see me in Royale High, my name's probably Winter, and I probably look like Winter. Okay, let's see how much the glow-in-the-dark one glue. I don't know. Looks like it's already glowing. Oh, look at it. Do you see that? It's not as bright as you think it is, but it's really bright. Gosh. It's so bright. Look at it. Look at it. So cool. So cool. So cool. So cool. Okay. Thanks for watching.